In this video, I'll answer a big question people always ask. Can you even put a VPN on a smart TV? And the answer is yes, you absolutely can. But not all smart TVs work the same way, so depending on the model you own, the setup process will be different. Let me walk you through the methods step by step in the simplest way possible. We'll be using NordVPN as the example because it works reliably, has fast servers, and supports every method I'm about to show you. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along. First, if your TV is running Android TV or Google TV, like Sony, TCL, Hisense, and many others, then this is the easiest setup. Just open the Google Play Store. Search for NordVPN, install it like any regular app, launch it, and log in. Once you're signed in, hit Quick Connect and your TV will instantly start using the VPN. Streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Disney+, and more will now run through NordVPN. A good tip here is to go into Settings and turn on Auto Connect, so the VPN always turns on when your TV starts. But what if your TV isn't Android? A lot of TVs like Samsung running Tizen OS or LG running WebOS don't support VPN apps directly. And this is where the next method comes in. You can install NordVPN on your router instead. When the router is connected to NordVPN, every device that uses your Wi-Fi is automatically protected, including your smart TV. To do this, open your router login page by typing something like 192.168.1.1 into your browser. Check if your router supports VPN configuration. Download OpenVPN configuration files from NordVPN's website, upload them, and complete the setup. Once that's done, you don't have to install anything on the TV itself. The only downside is that if you want to switch locations, you'll have to do it from the router menu. But for most households, this is the cleanest and most reliable solution. There's also a faster and simpler option if your only concern is unblocking content without encryption, and that's Smart DNS. Inside your NordVPN dashboard, you can activate Smart DNS and you'll get DNS addresses. Just enter those manually in your smart TV's network settings. It doesn't secure your connection like a real VPN, but it does unlock US Netflix, Hulu, and other streaming content quickly and with great speeds. And if you don't want to touch router settings at all, there's another method that works surprisingly well. You can use a VPN hotspot from your phone or computer. Just connect to NordVPN on your PC or smartphone, turn on mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi sharing, and then connect your TV to that hotspot. Now your smart TV is routed through the VPN, and you didn't have to install anything on the TV itself. So yes, you can absolutely use a VPN on your smart TV. If it supports apps, you install NordVPN directly. If it doesn't, you can use router setup, Smart DNS, or a VPN hotspot. All four methods work, and NordVPN supports them all. If you want fast streaming, access to blocked content, and strong privacy across your TV, it's one of the best options out there. I've put a link to NordVPN down in the description below where you can get a special discount.